about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright.
Hey guys, it's Yan. Welcome back to my channel. Today will be a get ready with me. It's also the anniversary of me and my boyfriend. So for today's get ready with me, I will be doing kind of a pinkish, simple makeup look. I'm not entirely sure what I am going to do. It's not going to be too dramatic or anything like that. So let's get started. This is a Marie headband in case you can tell. So cute. So before recording, I have already done my brows. I used the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil and their Gimme Brow Gel to do my brows today. Let's do the face. So I've recently bought a few things from Sephora. And I am going to try some of them out today. The first one that I got is this Fenty Beauty primer. For some reason I haven't purchased this primer ever, even though I love their foundation and I do like their concealer. I got the mini size just because I don't want to invest in it too much in case I don't like it. This primer is set to blur your pores, which I love because I have combination skin and I do have larger pores in like my T-zone. This primer feels a lot like a moisturizer on my face. This is my first time using it, so I'll see how it goes. For foundation, I am using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 190 together with my Flower Beauty sponge. It's still February, but then the weather today outside, it's pretty sunny in Hong Kong. It's more like spring now. Global warming fucks it up. I'll be using my all-time favorite, which is the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm in the shade Light Neutral. It's still hands down the favorite concealer that I love to use. I love concealer with a thicker consistency for some reason. So for setting my face, I'm going into the Fenty Beauty setting powder. If you didn't know, I did a review on this setting powder and the concealer. I'll link the video up here. If you're interested, you can go look at it and see how I like them. I'm just gonna bake a bit under the eyes. And then I'm gonna take whatever's left just to go through it on my T-zone. Today I'm going to do a really simple eye look. I'm first gonna prep my eyes with my NARS eyeshadow primer. For my eyeshadow, I'm going into the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Waddles. This is probably my favorite shade. Put it on my fingers and I'll apply it onto my lids. And then I do want to highlight my inner corners just a bit. I'm going in with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. Just gonna go in with my fingers. This is a really subtle highlighter, so that's what I'm all for today. I'll finish up my eyes in a bit. I'm just gonna dust off my baking and do my face makeup. So to contour my face, I'm just going in with the Fenty Beauty Match Stick. This is in the shade Amber. I'm also going to contour my nose with the Can Make Nose Shadow Powder. And I'll I'll take this whitish highlighting shade on my finger and just dab it on the bridge of my nose.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where.
So for blush, I got the Jill Stewart Mix Blush Compact. This is a relatively newer product Sephora carries, and it looks amazing. It has really nice packaging. Just look at this. I got the shade in 17. It's called Believe in Love. And it comes with this nice compact little brush, and I'll use this as my blush brush today.
Challenging. Painful. It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself.
Oh, it gives me like this really rosy glow. And I'm going to bring whatever's left on the brush across my nose. Do I look like a reindeer? Oh well. And to highlight my face, I'm also using the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. Yeah. I love how natural this highlighter is because it doesn't emphasize your pores at all. So going back to the eyes, I'll first apply my mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes with the Shu Uemura Lash Curler, and I'm using the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. And then for eyeliner, I'm using this brown one from a Japanese brand. It's called Heroin Make. I'm just gonna line my outer corner with a tiny wing and maybe a bit on the inner corners. For my lip, I got this Marc Jacobs lip kit from Sephora. This is called the Sugar High Nude Lip Trio. So it has a lip liner, a lipstick, and a lip gloss. I'm going to use the lip liner. And then I'm gonna dab the Sugar High lipstick on my lips. I got the Pat McGrath Labs Lust Gloss from Sephora, and it's in the shade Flash Fantasy. So it's this really nice nude shade without any shimmer. The gloss is actually really just for me. My boyfriend hates lip glosses. So this is my complete makeup. I'd say it's a really natural, rosy glow, but it is really simple, really fresh looking. So yeah, that's my whole look. And today I am wearing a layered necklace. I paired this with this striped bodycon dress that I got from Bershka. It's pink and burgundy, which goes with the whole look. And tonight I'll be meeting up with my boyfriend. We'll be celebrating with a simple dinner. So thank you for getting ready with me. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing, and remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any videos. And because I do not post on a regular basis, which is really bad, I know, so remember to click the bell so you get notified whenever I have a new video up. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now